Hey, we're testing the system here.
This is Johnny. He's testing our system. This is our test setup over here, real quick. We have our 4-ohm load, and he's testing a system without without a preamp on it. He's using the preamp from that board right there. Some of the units that got shipped back didn't have preamps on them. There's our CA-1014 there, and our load is just there's a switch here that we installed. 4 ohms that side, or speaker on this side. So Johnny's going to go ahead and run through the test. There's our test procedure.
Wiring diagram.
A wiring diagram. It takes probably a couple of minutes for us to go through this, but I think just so you guys know, you probably can't see too much. This is testing, asking a question. Why don't you go ahead and hit it, click it. This tests high frequency limit, low frequency limit, the gain of the system, and when the volume is in the cowl pot, and the total distortion. Okay, now he's going to go. What happened? It was working.
I forgot that you made this part of the script longer.
Yeah. Okay. Then it asked them to change the high frequency pot to 8 hertz. The high frequency filter to 8 hertz. This tests peak power, a couple different frequencies. Okay, now it's going to ask them to do standby control. To do standby, we apply a 12-volt power supply right there. Turn that on, and then it senses the output voltage, make sure it shuts off. When you turn it back off, and it should come back on. You can see it's only 2 microvolts, but then kicks back on. This is testing distortion. About 100 to 200 watts. So that was we should be able to pick it up because we're testing for very low distortion at that node. And then this is the part where we go ahead and put the unit into. We go ahead and attach the. We go ahead and switch it over to the speaker. There's like a 1 kilohertz tone that's kicking through here, and then we should be now we're sending 40 hertz bursts through the system. It's sensing the voltage. If we ever drop out, it's going to detect it. It'll detect it. It passed it. It's going to go ahead and do that, and then the green means we passed the test. Okay, cool.
Good to go.